are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm
Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. Okay, let's go ahead and get a 2 outer fabric because we're going to be laying these pockets in place. You're going to get your other 2 fabric. You're going to fold it in half, both of them. You're going to lay one on top of there. It's going to show you the position that it's going to be in, the back and the front. So we're going to position these 2 pockets just like that. Get our other fabric. We're going to fold that in half as well. And then we're going to position it right on top of the other one. And this is going to be the front and this is going to be the back. What you're going to do is take these to the iron and just iron it out. Fold it out just like this in the same position. All 3 of these material right here. And you're just going to iron this out flat. And once you finish, we're going to go to the machine and we're going to sew just the top piece right here. We're going to sew at the top right here. And we're going to sew at the top right here. Okay, just those 3. Okay, you should now have it sewn. Let's work on our front first. So you're going to get your other fabric and lay these in place. This is the front. Lay this on top of here. I'm going to pin this in place. If you want a tag, this is optional. You can put a tag there. You're going to go to the machine and you're going to sew all the way down here and then all the way down here. You should now have it sewn, both sides. Should now look like that. Let's put that aside. You need another material and then you're going to need the other piece of fabric that we sewn at the top. Place that in position just like that. And so we're going to mark from this corner here all the way over 4 centimeters. And then do the same thing for the bottom. And do the same thing from this corner here all the way over 4 centimeters. Draw that line out. Now it should look like that. Pin this down. Then be placing the hook at the top here. So let's go ahead and do that at the same time. So you're gonna get your other fabric, 8 centimeter section. You're gonna be folding in half. Let me bring it up so you can see. In the 8 centimeter section, you're gonna fold it in half, open it up, and fold it again in half, touching that center line. And then you're gonna do the same thing. Fold that in half, and then fold it one more time. And then you have that. Go to machine, and we are going to be sewing this on the one side, and then you're going to sew on the other side as well. And then you're going to sew this one side here and this one side here, and you're going to sew down those lines right there. Okay, you should now have this sewn down here, 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 and here. This should be sewn as well. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna take our D-ring and we're gonna place that inside of there. And we're gonna be placing it right in the center at the top here. So you can fold that in half to find the center. Okay. And if you want, you can fold this in half as well to find the center. Place that right in the center of that line. You're gonna go to machine and you're gonna sew right on top there. Now have this sewn on here. Go ahead and get your other, this is the front, this is the back. Get the front and we're gonna sit that on top of there. Pin that in place. Go to machine and you're gonna start from the bottom all the way to the top, across, and then come back down. leaving this open, okay? Leaving the bottom open. Okay, this should be now sewn all the way around. And then the bottom should be left open. We're gonna cut the corners real quick. So we're gonna flip this inside out. The last one that looks like this. This is how you're gonna position it, okay, when you flip it. Right, and we're gonna turn that inside out. Should now look like that. Should have it positioned like this. And go ahead and take this to the iron and iron it out. And once you finish iron it out, we're gonna go to machine and we're gonna sew the bottom section right here. Now have that sewn at the bottom. Once you finish, you're gonna get that and then you're gonna flip this inside out as well. We're gonna flip this over because we want this to be in front here. So go ahead and flip that over. Okay. And so it should now look like that, where this sits at the back here and this sits in the front, and just push through these corners. And this, you're gonna do the same thing for this side because this needs to be in front here. So we're gonna flip that over as well. Just need everything to be in place. And that lines up. It should now look like that. Okay, let's get those corners pushed out. All right, and it should now look like this. 2 pockets in front, and then where your pins in the back. Okay, and you can take this to the iron and just iron it out better. Let's put that aside and work on our strap. The same process we did for this here, the hook, we're gonna do the same process for the strap as well. You iron it out, fold in half, fold that one time, fold that another time, and then one more time you fold, and it should now look like that. Go ahead and get out your swavel hook, and we're gonna put that in here and place that right inside of there. What we're gonna do next is open this up, and then do the same thing for the other side. And then you're gonna take both of these and you place them together, touching each other, making sure it lines up. We're gonna go to machine. You can pin that in place and go to machine and sew straight over. Now have that sewn. Open that up, and we're gonna just position it the way it was before. Put everything back in place the way it was. You're gonna sew all the way around, and then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, all the way around. Just push this out of the way, of course. So. You should now have it all sewn on both sides. And so we're gonna fold that over, and we're gonna sew down right there, and then we are finished. And you should now have that sewn. And you can clip it on there. There you have it. I just enhanced the measurements for this, and it's made a beautiful door hanger organizer. You can put your phone, your mail. This is my business card, my keys on this side, and my glasses on this side as well, which I think is super cute. Yep, this is so cute. Absolutely cute, absolutely beautiful. Love it. Oh, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please make sure you share. Once again, you will see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.